In the manufacturing industry, a fixture plate is a tool used to hold and position workpieces during machining or assembly processes. It is a flat plate with a grid of holes that can be used to mount various types of fixtures, such as clamps, vices, and jigs. The fixture plate provides a stable and repeatable platform for machining or assembly operations, ensuring that the workpiece is held securely and accurately positioned. Fixture plates are commonly made of materials such as aluminum, steel, or composite materials, and can be customized to fit specific manufacturing needs. Fixture plates are essential in the manufacturing industry as they provide a reliable and efficient way to hold and position workpieces during machining or assembly processes. They are particularly useful in high-volume production environments where repeatability and accuracy are critical. Fixture plates can be designed to accommodate a wide range of workpiece sizes and shapes, making them a versatile tool for various manufacturing applications. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company based in Minnesota, specializes in the design and production of custom fixture plates for a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, and medical. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and knowledge to provide high-quality fixture plates that meet the specific needs of their clients. They offer a range of services, including design, prototyping, and production, and can work with clients to develop custom solutions that optimize their manufacturing processes. If you are interested in learning more about fixture plates and how they can benefit your manufacturing operations, Berkness Company is a great resource. Their team of experts can provide guidance and support throughout the design and production process, ensuring that you get the best possible solution for your needs. To learn more, visit the Contact Us page on their website and fill out the form to get in touch with their team. FAQs. 1. What is a fixture plate in manufacturing? A fixture plate is a flat surface with a grid of holes that are used to hold and position workpieces during machining operations. It is typically made of a durable material such as steel or aluminum and is designed to be mounted on a machine tool or workbench. 2. What are the benefits of using a fixture plate in manufacturing? Using a fixture plate can improve manufacturing efficiency by reducing setup time and increasing accuracy and repeatability. By using a standardized grid of holes, workpieces can be quickly and easily positioned and secured, reducing the need for custom fixtures and reducing the risk of errors or misalignments. 3. How do I choose the right fixture plate for my manufacturing needs? When choosing a fixture plate, it is important to consider factors such as the size and weight of your workpieces, the type of machining operations you will be performing, and the compatibility of the plate with your machine tool or workbench. You may also want to consider additional features such as clamping mechanisms or modular designs that allow for greater flexibility and customization. Consulting with a knowledgeable